Mr. Daniels,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yeah, I brought my case because I'm trying to file child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibilities.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today. And I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay.
In a courtroom twist, Mr. Daniels steps forward not to avoid child support, but to enforce it on himself. Why? Because the mother, who didn't even show up today, hasn't been taking responsibility. His words cut deep. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court. You can hear the disappointment, the pain, and above all, the love for his child. But this is only the beginning. What drove him to take such a bold step? Keep watching.
I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay. It's very different when people come in and, well, guys in particular come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and mom? Have y'all ever been married?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets. So I'm just trying to.
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
Chose to be being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
She party a lot.
The judge digs deeper, asking if he and the child's mother were ever married. His answer is heartbreaking. I try to do everything right, he says, voice low, but she chose to be out on the streets. He clarifies she chose parties over parenting. The weight of a man who tried to build a home only to watch it fall apart is written all over this testimony. What kind of mother walks away? The court is about to find out.
Chose to be being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
She party a lot, do all those things.
Well, I don't know where she's at, so I don't know what she does.
Do you communicate with her at all?
When it comes to money.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why.
You have a son or a daughter?
I have a son.
Do you get to see your son?
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
Okay.
His heartbreak grows deeper. He barely sees his son on the weekends, but it's rare. He confesses. The mother Ebsen again only talks to him when money's involved. There's no co-parenting, only conflict. Yet he shows up. He fights in court, not for vengeance, but for his little boy's future. How does a father hold on when his child is slipping away? His struggle is real and far from over. Wait till you hear what he sacrifices. Next.
We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
Okay. So you do understand how child support works, right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean? You're third string.
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the arena football league that I play in. So I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because
he's not a superstar. I'm third string in the arena football league. He says he's barely scraping by. Yet, he's in court doing what many won't, taking financial responsibility for his child. He's terrified of losing too much, unable to provide even for himself, but his fear doesn't stop him. Why does a man with so little give so much? The judge is about to lay down the numbers, and the stakes are rising fast.
I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Okay. So it's based on the calculation. So whatever amount of money that you make, that's what your child support is going to be set at. No matter if you were third string, first string, second string, I don't know how many strings it go up to. It's based on your calculation. Okay. So how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay. And you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
The judge doesn't let up. It doesn't matter if you're third string or first. She says support is based on income. He admits to making $67,000 a year with only one child to support. The courtroom feels heavy. He's trying to stay afloat, torn between financial survival and fatherhood. This isn't about excuses. It's about realities. Will the numbers crush him, or will the system give him a break? The verdict is approaching.
You only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So 67,000. Well, let me ask you this. Who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
Okay. How much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120. Okay. And let me see. You turned in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130.
Okay.
130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the health insurance amount, I mean, she's not here obviously to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance.
Okay.
Okay.
The judge could say something unusual. He claimed $120 for health insurance, but the documents say $130. You shortened yourself. $10. She points out, even when it hurts. This father downplays his expenses.
Why?
Maybe he's used to sacrifice. Maybe he just wants his son covered. But now the judge must calculate the exact support helo, and it's more than he expected. How much will he be ordered to pay? The numbers are finally in.
I mean, she's not here obviously to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance.
Okay.
Okay. So based on that, giving you credit for the health insurance, your gross comes out to $5,470. Your net of that after taxes come out is $4,357.28 for a child support amount of $871.46. Okay?
Okay.
After crunching the numbers, the judge delivers the final amount, $871.46. Then, out of nowhere, she asks, "Are you single?" The room shifts. He hesitates. "Well, no." She smiles. "Good. Nothing else to do here." The tension lightens, but not for long. This case isn't over, and what he says next leaves even the judge speechless. You're not ready for the next twist.
For a child support amount of $871.46. Okay?
Okay.
You have any other questions about that?
Are you single?
Well, no.
Okay.
But I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother. I was.
So you want to make me a baby mama?
No.
That's what you're telling me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available to help.
Well, I'm available for my next case. So if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
In an unexpected finale, he jokes, "I don't have a good baby mother." The judge fires back. "So you want to make me a baby mother?" The courtroom bursts with laughter and shock. "I wasn't trying to." He stumbles. She cuts him off. "Well, I'm available for my next case." With that, she dismisses him. Case closed, but the tension lingers. What started as a cry for help ended in a twist no one saw coming. Like, comment, and subscribe if this drama had you hooked.